So hello guys, I'm really sorry because of some of the internet issue from my end and from Madhupriya's end. We just wanted to disconnect the live video. So we are joining it again, and Madhupriya must be joining it again within a minute or so. So I just want to ask you now, my voice is audible to all of you, and how are you doing? How are you doing at home? Hope you are safe at home and doing good. So Madhupriya is joining us within a minute or so. So let me enter Madhupriya over here. So before, as Madhupriya is not live yet. So Madhupriya must be joining within a minute or so. So let me introduce our company to you. We are from Hobbit Technologies Private Limited, and we are building India's first virtual platform dedicated to hobbies. Hello Shipra, how are you? So Madhupriya is joining us within a minute or so. Sorry for so much wait. So now I am adding Madhupriya. So Madhupriya must be joining within a minute or so. Sorry. Yeah, Madhupriya just has joined us. So I'm adding Madhupriya, so you all can text us whatever the questions you are having to ask with Madhupriya. Yeah, it is connecting. So hi Madhupriya.
Hi.
Now my voice is audible to you?
Perfectly all right. Now this is perfect.
Perfect. Yeah, that's great. So can we start with a live workout session now?
Yes. Just let me fix my camera. I'll put camera a little ahead and we'll start.
Okay, sure, done.
Just a second.
So get ready people, Madhupriya is right now going to teach us live workout sessions at home, full body workout of body weight training.
Gaurav, am I visible?
Yes, you are visible, Madhupriya. You are very much visible.
Perfect. So, good evening to all of you. And as we all of us know that we at Hobbit are going to launch soon, but at the same point in time, we are here to take your hobbies to next level. And we teach different types of hobbies here, from bodyweight workout to cooking, dancing, everything that you want. So before we start, there is few things that I would want to talk about. We are doing bodyweight training, but then since it is a single day module, I would be doing a complete body circuit, which is called a ladder workout, right?
Okay.
So ladder
Okay.
workout, yes, Gaurav. So ladder workout means wherein you would be starting from the first stair on the staircase and would reach to the highest level. So today we'll be starting, our starting point would be obviously number 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Similarly, we would reach 50 repetitions of different workouts.
Okay.
And that is how we are going to train our entire body. But along with the workout, the most important thing with workout is our warm up. So let's start with the warm up. Since we are doing the entire body part, we'll choose a few exercises and would start warming up our entire body. So we are doing a modified jumping jacks, which would be this, right? So people who are even the beginner level can do their jumping jack like this, wherein one hand, one leg goes up, the other hand, other leg goes up and down, right? They need to make
Madhupriya, I guess your network is not very well connected right now. So I'm not able to see you. So I warm up. So you all people can do with me. We are doing the warm up right now, and Madhupriya is going to join us within a minute or so. I guess because of the internet connectivity issue, she got disconnected. But right now she will be joining within a minute or so. So you 4, 5, 6, Madhupriya is online or not? By chance she got disconnected. So now what we can do is we can move our hand up and now straight forward. Now again up, again down for the lower back stretching. Again up, again down. So Madhupriya is right here. Yes, yes, Madhupriya.
Okay. It was cut. I did not know because I was working out here and the phone was on the other side. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So
So let's start.
I did the workout, I did the warm-up session. Now we can continue with the main session.
Yes, we are done with the warm-up session. Now we will start with our exercise session. So it will be a first exercise. First exercise is push-up. So just trying to tell you first, see with push-up, we need to first go down for a plank position, high plank.
I guess Madhupriya, I'm not able to see you. Your camera is on the other side. So I guess
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
not able to see you.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. It's great.
Just a second. Okay, is my mat visible?
Yes. Now your mat is visible.
Oh, okay. Since I was in workout, I did not see. Okay, so we have to start with push-up, making. Yes, we have to start with push-up. It has to be 5 push-ups. But then, before we start push-up, what we need to know is that we have to go onto our hands and then get into the plank position, making sure that our body is in line. Our head, hips, toes, everything is in one line. And then our palm is completely open and we would do 5 push-ups. But for those who are beginners, they can get onto their knees and then do the push-up, right? So we have to do 5 push-ups. Start. 1, 2, 3. For the beginners, 4, 5. Get onto your knees. Very good. And we are done with the 5 push-ups. Get yourself a sip of water if you want and a 15-second rest.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm here starting with my timer, stopwatch.
People who are looking to us must be doing the workout at home right now.
Yes, they should be. They should.
Body weight training.
This is the time when we should actually be doing. And now we are left with only 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And what we are doing is squat. So your squat, your legs, your shoulder width apart, toes a little out, abs sucked in, chest up, glutes, which is hips, engaged, with pelvis being flexed, throw your hips back and sit, and up. Breathe in when you go down, breathe out when you come up. 1, 10 of these, 2, 3. If you're comfortable, keep your hand like this. If you're comfortable, keep your hand at the back of your head. Very good. Yes, so let's start. 10. Are you done with 10, Gaurav? Post 10, we are again going for a 15-second rest. And while you are resting, I'm going to show you what exactly are we supposed to do now. We are going to do lunges. Now with lunges, there are different variations. One variation could be wherein you can do side-to-side lunges. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, right? Or you can do just the forward lunge. Put your legs in front, sit and up. Right, so when we are doing lunges, we need to make sure that 15 lunges from both the legs have to be done.
Okay, great, done. So,
start.
Can you begin?
Start. Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, your core engaged, chest up, breathe in, breathe out. When you go down, breathe in, go up, breathe out. Make sure that your knee that is at the behind does not hit the floor. Do 15 times. I lost my counting. Yes, very good. This particular exercise actually works on 2 parts of the body. One, the leg that is going behind works on your hamstring. The leg that is in the front works on your quads.
Okay.
Another leg, Gaurav.
Yes, it is.
Very good. Very good. Start. Keep doing. Come on.
5, 6, 7,
7,
8,
9,
10,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good. Very good. It's the burn on your quads. Just shake your quads if you want to. Just shake your quads. Make sure that you do not rest by sitting. Make sure that you are in active rest. You keep moving your body, whichever way you want to. Have a sip of water. Post that. Our third exercise I'll show you, which is again the lower body exercise. A squat, again a squat, but then works majorly onto your inner thighs, your glutes, which is hips, and your hamstrings. You have to put a wider stance. You have to make a wider stance. Right? Again, you can keep your hand whatever way that you want to. Suck in your core. Core needs to be engaged. Your hips need to be engaged. Get down, breathe in, come up, breathe out, throw your pelvis in the front and squeeze your butt. I will show it from the back as well. So what we do is I keep our core, we throw our hips back, sit. When we come up, we squeeze our hips. Right? So basically, this particular exercise works very good with hamstrings, which is the back of your thighs and your hips. Let's start. We have to do 20 squats. Start. 1, 2. Keep your core engaged, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Well done. Well done. Well done.
So what's next we have to do? I hope you all are enjoying the workout and doing with us. And if you are having any kind of a query, any kind of a doubt that you want to ask from Madhupriya, who is Miss India Fitness Model 2018, you can type the comments and I'll ask you on your behalf and we'll get the answer from Madhupriya. Madhupriya, I guess
Very good.
The camera turned on. Can you please change the camera?
Yes. A call had come actually. That is why it happened.
Okay. Yeah, great. Now it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, done.
By the time it happened, all of us have already taken our rest. Now our next exercise is a 30-second beast hold. Now, what is a beast hold? Looks very easy. It's difficult to do. What do we need to do is get onto all our fours, right? We are on all our fours. Our palm is open. We need to get onto our toes now and bring the knees a little up. How would we do that? We would push our body from our pelvis towards up and stay there for next 30 seconds. And time starts now. Come on, people. Make sure your core is engaged. You don't drop down your shoulder. You don't drop down your chest. Keep holding. It will give a burn to your quads for 30 seconds. Keep doing. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7,
8, 7, 6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2, and 1.
1.
Sit down. Grab your napkin and make sure that you wipe out your sweat.
Really, I'm feeling the blow on my legs and on my abdominal, and it is really great to work out with you, Madhupriya.
Same here, Gaurav. It's so nice to work out with all of you.
And I'm
Now,
feeling proud that I'm training with Miss India 2018 and the international athlete.
thank you so much. Now let's start. The same exercise has to happen, but then now what do we need to do? I'm showing you and then we start. Again, we come down into the beast position wherein our knees are above the ground, right? We hold like this for 10 seconds and then 40 times we have to move our hips up, come down. Make sure that our knees do not touch the ground. Start. Gaurav, are you in the position? I hope everybody who are watching us are doing the workouts along with us. Please do it. This is a very amazing exercise, works on the entire body. Gaurav, are you in the position? Let's start.
Yes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Start the movement. Move your pelvis up and down, up and down. Don't touch the knees to the floor. And we have to do it for 40 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You would start feeling the burn in your core and your quads. 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3. Keep doing, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last 10. Keep doing. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And rest.
Madhupriya, you are really having a great stamina and great power to do such kind of a workout, and I'm really feeling very good and feeling proud of you that I'm doing workout with you.
The burn is felt here as well. Shake your quads, move your body. Don't take a rest wherein your body doesn't move. Keep doing the active rest. Have a sip of water. Make sure that your heart rate comes down a little bit before we start our workout. So
So I guess people are also doing it.
I hope they should.
If guys you are having any kind of a doubt, you can ask from the so that I can ask on your behalf from Madhupriya.
Okay, now jumping jacks for, yes, we have to do jumping jacks, but then I would first tell the version for the beginners. Those who are the beginners, they can move both their hands and the legs. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? This is for the beginners.
Okay.
For those who are in the intermediate or advanced level, we have to do 45 jumping jacks like this. 1, 2, 3. You need to make sure that your core is tight. You have to always keep your core tight. When you jump, be gentle to your legs. Put your weight only on your toes and not on the entire foot. Shall we start?
Yeah. Madhupriya, we can start.
Okay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10, 11.
For the beginners, they can do this. For the beginners, they can move only one leg. For anybody who has knee pain, please do not jump. Make sure that you move your legs like this. Right? Let's start.
1,
How many down?
2, 3, 4, 6,
Let's keep doing, keep doing.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
Very good.
35.
45, Gaurav.
Okay.
10 more.
37,
10 more.
38, 39, 40,
Good.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
Very good. Grab your bottle of water, have a sip of it. Make sure that you take active rest. Bring your heartbeat a little down. Before we start with our another workout, and before we start, while all of you are taking your rest, I will tell you what do we need to do.
So Madhupriya,
So,
if you have joined us late, I would like to tell them that it's a later workout and we are doing the full body workout of body weight training. And Madhupriya, who is Miss India Physique 2018 and international athlete, is training us. So if anyone of you has any kind of a doubt related to fitness, related to diet, related to transformation, you can write over here and Madhupriya will be answering all the questions.
okay, Gaurav, let's start now. We have to do high knees, wherein we need to put our hands palm down onto our waist level and move.
Okay, done.
But at the same point in time, for those who are beginners or people who have pain in their knees, do not jump. You can do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Be gentle to your legs. Let's start, Gaurav.
Okay,
50
so
times.
how many laps do you have to do for this?
50 repetitions. 50 repetitions. 5 0.
Great. So
Yes, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37.
I'm done with my 50. Okay, great. Grab your bottle of water. Grab your bottle of water. Have a sip of it. Take rest.
In between, I'm announcing it again. In between, if any one of you having any kind of a doubt related to fitness, related to transformation, related to diet, related to nutrition, you can type it over here and Madhupriya is going to answer all the questions.
Now,
And those who
now
have just right now joined us, I would like to tell them that Madhupriya is a 2018 Miss India Physique champion and an international athlete as well.
Now, Gaurav, we have to do burpees. But before we start with the burpees, everybody would have been doing burpees. It's one of the most favorite exercise for the functional exercise. But then those who are new and those who have knee pain, those who are beginners, for them, they do not need to jump in burpees. I'll tell them what exactly do they need to do. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, get up. 1, 2, 1, 2, get up. They need to keep their core tight. Make sure that they keep their core tight and they do not jump. For the people who are in the intermediate level, who are in the advanced level, and those who do not have the knee pain, they should be trying jumping as well. So what do is we jump, we put our hands here, we jump in, and we jump back. This is for the intermediate level. And those who are in the advanced level, they can jump, get down, do push-up, jump, and up. Okay?
That's really hard workout, Madhupriya. That's really hard. I'm really feeling the
I know.
really enjoying the workout right now. So
let's start. We have to again do 50 of these.
What we have to do for this, Madhupriya?
50 repetitions.
50 or 50?
Let's start.
Madhupriya,
50.
50 or 50?
50.
50.
Yes. Let's start. You can always do the lower down version, Gaurav. Whenever you feel that now you are not able to do the complete jumping, you can move to the beginner level or the intermediate level wherein you can remove the push-up.
Okay, great.
Start. 1.
2. 3.
Very good. Keep doing, keep doing. Move to the intermediate level. Remove push-up from here. From here, you only need to jump, Gaurav. Come on. And if there is any chance, by any chance you feel you are unable to do, you can stop at 25.
Okay, I've done with the 17 now. I guess I have to do 8 more.
Come on. Guys, while doing burpees, make sure that your core is engaged. You don't droop your shoulders much, because if you do that, you would get injury. So make sure that you keep your core tight, your hips engaged, and jump on your toes when you jump inside. That's very important for burpees. Burpees, again, a complete body workout. We jump, we push up, we jump with our legs. So, you know, legs, core, chest, everything is involved when we are doing burpees. Are you done, Gaurav?
Yeah,
Gaurav?
burpees right now?
Yes, perfect. Keep doing. Make sure that your core is engaged, Gaurav.
Yes, yes.
That's very important. Very important that we keep our core engaged, we keep our glutes engaged, and we create a muscle-mind connection. We know what exactly are we doing. Otherwise, we do face injury. So always be focused on what you are doing. Are you done, Gaurav?
But we have to do it now? More burpees or we have to do the calm down?
No. We have one last exercise and then we would do cool down.
Okay.
We are left with only one last exercise, because right now we have actually fulfilled almost every body workout except for the core. So for core, now we would be doing mountain climbers. But then with the mountain climbers, you have to only do 20 repetitions, only 20 repetitions. I will tell for the beginners first, I would tell you need to get onto your knees, put your hand down, take your knees up, and take your knees towards your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the advanced level, please make sure that you do it fast. But at the same point in time, your body should be in one line, your core should be engaged. Let's start, Gaurav. You have to do 20 repetitions.
I'm starting the.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we are done. A 30-second break. Please keep moving. But don't move your hands while moving. We want our heart rate to go down and not go up. Have a sip of water. Make sure that your water should not be gulped on a very high speed. 1 sip of water or 2 sips of water would do. But then always keep yourself hydrated while working out. Otherwise, there are chances that your body faces cramps because it loses a lot of water and a lot of electrolytes while we are working out.
Yeah, great insights. Great insights.
It's always better to add electrol powder or certain kind of electrolyte in your water,
I'm sure
especially in the
must be learning something great from you, great from artists like you.
especially in this weather. Make sure that your water has certain kind of electrolytes into it. Now, we are going to do our cool down exercise.
Okay, done.
Cool down, we have to do 5 repetitions of squat. Very slowly, we need to make sure that all the 5 reps are slowly done, right? We have to make sure that we engage our core by breathing in, making sure that our navel goes towards our spine. Our chest should not droop.
So till the time of today is busy somewhere else, I would like to ask again to all the people who are watching live to us, if you are having any kind of questions, any kind of doubts, any kind of query that you want to ask from a fitness star, Miss India 2018, you can message over here and all the doubts will be solved by Madhupriya itself on a live session.
Now, Gaurav, we need to do squat, keeping our core tight. We cannot droop like this. We need to make sure that our chest is uptight, our core is engaged, our hips are engaged. My foot is having the equal stance as per my shoulder, toes a little out. Flex your pelvis and throw your hips back. Do not sit with your knees coming forward. We need to make sure that we sit and create a chair and come up 5 times. Breathe in when you go down, breathe out when you come up. 1, 2, very slowly. 3, 4, and 5. Those who are new and cannot go down that much can always use the chair and touch the chair and again come up. The last cool down exercise that we have to do is get onto our knees, put our hands down, and protract and retract, which is called cow and camel, or cat and camel, whatever name that you want to call it. You need to keep your core engaged, protract your shoulder blades out, and retract your spine like this. Is it clear, Gaurav?
Yes, it is clear, Madhupriya.
We have to do 10 times of these and we are done with the workout. 1, 2. Make sure you do it slowly because we are doing cool down. We don't need to get our heartbeats higher. Keep our core engaged. Protract with your shoulder blade. Retract from your spine. Keep breathing. And I'm done with the 10 times. I hope all of you who have joined us have worked out with us and have loved what we were doing, because it was a very short, crisp 20-25 minutes workout. We worked on the entire body part and made sure that we sweat a lot. And at the same point in time, it's very important to make sure that we move our body even when we are at home, right? It's a very good immunity builder, very good immunity booster, very good metabolism booster, and it keeps yourself happy. You know, the happy hormones flow into your body if you work out. So we are done with the workout session. Now I would put the camera on my face side and
Okay,
we'll
sure.
talk to
I
Gaurav.
would like to say it was really, really, really an amazing workout, and I'm really feeling the pump on my entire body, from my legs to my arms to my abdominal to my chest, and all the body.
Same here, Gaurav.
I'm feeling the pump, and I'm feeling really good to work out with you. So now I would like to ask all of you, if you are having any kind of a doubts, any kind of a questions that you want to ask it from Madhupriya, you can type it over here and we can. And Madhupriya will be answering all the questions. Give me some pineapples. Have wrote that you are so clear with the instructions, you make the process easier. Yes, I am truly agreeing to this part. And let me check all of the comments. Can't wait for the app launch. Yeah, application will be launching very soon, very, very soon. Within the
Same here, even I can't wait.
The next month, first week. And Madhupriya is going to come live over there and will be giving you the live sessions on workouts, on diets, and on everything else related with the fitness. Waiting for Hobbit app, which will be coming soon. So any other questions, any other doubts from any other member? Great.
Guys, you don't have any doubt. I'm so happy. I'm so happy people don't have doubts, but then they should have doubts. That's the way we learn.
Thank you so much. This was wonderful, superb. Thank you. Lovely session. Can't wait to see Miss India Fitness Teachers on Hobbit app. Yes, Miss India 2018 will be teaching you about fitness, about your fitness journey, about your diet, about your nutrition, about your transformation on Hobbit application that will be coming soon live. So we all are really excited to have Madhupriya with us today on the live sessions, and we are also excited to have Madhupriya on our application that will be launching really soon.
Same here, Gaurav. It feels so nice to get attached to a application that is so new an idea, wherein we can bring all the hobbies together under the same roof. You know, even I would like to join and learn a few other techniques. I'm seriously looking forward for yoga sessions.
Really great, really great. Thank you so much, Madhupriya. Thank you so much from all.
Somebody has asked, yes, somebody has asked a question. There's a question. Anything would you suggest? The question is lost somewhere. Please, can you see? Somebody had written some question. Okay. So anything would you suggest to be done post session? Yes. See, post session, the first thing that you should do is cool down. Cool down for some 5-10 minutes. Do not rush to do anything else. But then post you are done. If you are a non-vegetarian, I would suggest go have four egg whites boiled and have it within 45 minutes of your workout, because at that point in time, your body is ready to accept the protein that you intake in your body. And at the same point in time, it gets involved into repair of your muscle. Another thing, if you are a vegetarian, I would suggest go have soy or even a protein shake would do. But then as beginners, if you are beginners, I would suggest go and have whole food. Supplements always come secondary. It's always the whole food that you eat. So if you're a vegetarian, add paneer or tofu or soy into your meal, or broccoli post-workout within 45 minutes. If you are non-vegetarian, add eggs to your post-workout meal. What
Okay,
your views about body weight training? My views about body weight trainings are amazing. Even I was a kind of person who always started with weight trainings into the gym. So to me also, it was a little difficult to cope with the thought process that I would have to do a body weight training. But I realized pushing a weight or pulling a weight from the ground, which is not your own weight, is easier than pushing and pulling your own body weight. So you are learning a new technique. Make your body your own gym. Make your own body your own gym. You see, using weights are very good, a form of workout, but then you should always find out time to do body weight training. That actually creates agility. It brings strength into your own body. You become more agile. You become more say flexible. You get more strength into your body.
Yeah, great, Madhurya, great. So, any other questions? If anyone of you is having, we are happy to help you out with the answers. So, I guess.
Do you have a question, Gaurav?
To be very honest, Madhurya, I really got tired after this session, and it was really an amazing session. My body is no
Though
problem.
post session, but it seems that I'm more tired than you are.
So Gaurav Sarkar is asking a question that what's the best time for workout?
Whenever you can focus. People say that early morning, late evening. No, that is not the case. Yes, this should be kept in your mind, that don't work out and go to rush to sleep. But yes, at the same point in time, do whenever you are free and you can focus on your workout, right? If you are not focused, if you are thinking that अभी हमें वर्कआउट करना है, फिर हमें भागना है, फिर हमें खाना बनाना है, फिर हमें ऑफिस जाना है, अगर आप इतना कुछ सोच रहे होंगे तो आप फोकस नहीं होंगे. एंड मसल माइंड कनेक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. There is one thing I would like to tell you. You are not training your body, you are training your mind, because you can do anything and everything that your brain wants you to do. And if your brain says that you're running late, you would not be putting focus onto your workout. So make sure you work out whenever you are free, whenever you are focused, and whenever you feel that you can't work out and you're tired, that is the time you should start working out. It will bring the happy hormone inside your body and you will want to do everything.
Amazing, Madhurya, amazing answer. So I guess the Gaurav Sarkar's question is being cleared now and he can work out anytime in a day. So
yeah.
Amit Singh, amazing session. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone to the public who was watching us and who was doing workout with us. And special thanks to Madhurya who joined us and gave us a great insights about workout, about diet, about nutrition, and solved all the questions of our public. And we are happy to announce Madhurya on our board. She will be giving late sessions on our application that will be going to launch most probably on the next month, first week. So you can all catch up Madhurya and do the workout with her. So thank you so much, Madhurya. Thank you so much. Now I guess it's
thank
time
you so much.
to take the diet now.
Yes, it's time to take the diet. We are already 10 minutes down the workout. Now it's time that I also rush and have my food. Okay. You guys also rush and have your post-workout meal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, everyone. And
thank you. Bye. Let's hobbit.